Hello and welcome back to another video. I am Proud Gardenista and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about growing a banana plant. Now, one thing that I do recommend with growing banana plants is that you put them in the ground. They grow best in the ground. If you don't have very great soil, then I'd say dig about a foot or a foot and a half deep, foot and a half wide of the current existing soil you have, and then you could just amend it with organic soil if you'd like, or soil of your choice, as well as cow manure before you put it in the ground. That way it kind of helps it to grow big and healthy. Another thing is, if you don't have a lot of rain, then make sure that it gets sufficient water. I try to, if it's been very hot the past couple of weeks, months actually, it's been in the hundreds, 100 and something degrees some days. So when it gets really dry, really hot, I'll water it. And you don't have to overdo it with watering. I water directly in the soil. Sometimes I'll wet up wet this part up as well. I don't know, I'm lost for words. So in terms of taking care of this, I will top it up with cow manure. I have this container here. I'll fill this up with cow manure, and basically I'll just kind of put it all around the trunk of the tree or the plant, and then I'll do that maybe every week, because the soil that this is on is not that great. It's very sandy soil. Sorry about the background noise. And then in addition to that, what I'll do every other week or once a month, however you can afford to do it, you will get nitrogen. When it's at this stage specifically, you mix nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They sell those powdered fertilizers, and I can provide you with more information if you're interested. You could just put the information in the link saying you're interested, or if you have any questions. And I'll mix those in water, and at the back of most of those nutrients or fertilizers, they have instructions on there as to how to dilute it. I'll mix it with water, and then I will pour it directly in the roots of the ground, and make sure that my plants are getting all the nutrients they need. And that's why this one is so big. And if you can see here, we have another shoot, so I'm gonna have to chop this tree down pretty soon, or actually get help to chop the tree down. So if you look here, you'll see that it has a little brother that needs to be detached from it, because the little brother is getting too big and they're gonna fight for room soon. So this one's gonna have to be detached soon. So I'm just telling you a little bit about growing and caring for a banana plant. All right, thanks for viewing, and you have a great day. And if you have any questions, put it in the description. And as a quick bonus, this is the dwarf banana that I bought. I couldn't find it anywhere near where I was, but I got it, and it came as a little tiny plant. Maybe just had two of these little leaves on them, and it kept rooting. And it's the same procedure for this one as well. I'll put cow manure on the top every week, make sure it stays nice and fairly damp, not too moist where it's sogging. This container has holes in it, and when it gets a little bit bigger, I will transplant it to something else, to the ground. And if you can see, it's already unraveling more, so it won't be much longer before this one has to come out. And this is the dwarf banana, not the dwarf banana tree meaning in size, but it's just a much smaller bananas. All right, thank you my friends, and you have a great day.